If you're an AI developer or running machine learning workloads, Hyperbolic Global might seriously save you money. It's basically a decentralized GPU marketplace that lets you rent unused computing power from data centers and machines worldwide. And the big selling point? It can cut GPU costs by 50 to 75% compared to major cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. You also get access to premium hardware like NVIDIA H100 Tensor Core GPU without waiting forever on enterprise waitlists, which is a huge plus if you need fast scaling for AI training or inference. It's also legit, backed by around $20 million from firms like Polychain Capital and Variant. Now the downside, since it's decentralized, latency and hardware consistency can vary. Some developers also mention setup limitations around storage and CPU configs, and customer support isn't exactly hand-holding territory. So final verdict, if you're just a regular consumer, skip it. But if you're an engineer or AI startup trying to slash cloud costs, Hyperbolic Global looks like excellent value.